lost. As I rewind the devil's flaws, paths cross, of course, your life lost, patience, virtue. Heard that you're the boss. Your inform is correct. Now give me enormous respect. Corner the game, record label on his chain, right hand on the Bible, watch the flow catch flames. My jealous on the feet, now she ride with a lane. My jealous in the Jeep. All the little homies wanna eat. But we never settle beef, so settle your debts before there's any regrets. Gino do the graffiti and Black Panther with the tech. My girl say that I'm a mess. DJ Khaled say I'm the best. And my city do too. 20 in the trunk, that's how city boys move. 8.9 out the crib, got a view. Mandarin, manicure, DEA in pursuit. Champagne in the Rolex Rose. No church for a D-boy, let's pray.
In the beings and the vibe. What's a vibe to a king? What's a king to a god? What's a god to a non-believer who don't believe in anything? Ain't no church in the wild for a nigga like me. In the game so foul, in a world full of sin, where the love flow thin and the pain run deep, cause it's blood in the streets. See the stains on the money, no love for the weak. Where it rain never sunny, just mud on the beach. Where the haters stick to you like mud on the cleat. Thanksgiving with them birds, just drugs for a feast. Young and only 13 with a snub in his fleece. Even though it's hard cold, he in love with the heat. See the high in his eyes and the slurs in his speech. From the bottom I'm Philly, I emerged from the east. Peace. And the dealer talking Bugatti talk. You never heard it like Illuminati talk. Tell them haters that it's my mama fault. Breaking bricks, you would think we talking karate talk. Young niggas with old money. Never trust a nigga that said let me hold something. Never trust a bitch that tell you she ain't blow nothing. The weatherman ain't never tell me about these cold summers. Tears dripped on my damn casket. Niggas turn me into a bastard. Glock 40 on me is plastic. Get the reaching, I'm squeezing on him and clapping. And I ain't talking about assemblies. I'm talking headshots when niggas won't remember me. I asked God, please remove my enemies. I was surprised when I lost niggas that was friends of me. The beings and the vibe. What's a vibe to a king? What's a king to a god?